Everybody, John Huber here, Maryland Education Network, brought to you by Maryland K-12 for my next series, my next episode in the series on what's going on in the Maryland General Assembly. This one's about special education. This one is something going on. Could be a big deal, and people don't realize it. What it does is, in special education, and for all the special education parents, they know this. When a parent feels that his or her child is not receiving the appropriate education as defined in the IEP, and I did a whole series on what IEPs are and all that, so dig around my YouTube channel, you'll find it. When a parent says to the school system, takes the school system to court and says, you are not providing my child with the level of service that he or she needs according to the IEP. Traditionally, the burden of proof, if you will, has been on the parent, on the person bringing forth the charge, to prove that the school has not done what it is supposed to have been doing. This changes that, and this is huge. This is huge because 90-some-odd% of these, what they call due process hearings, 90-some% end up in favor of the school system. Very simply because obviously they have more resources. They know a lot more about the language of what needs to be done. The deck is stacked against the parents. But probably more importantly is that the parents with the burden of proof have to prove that the school did not do something. That's hard to prove, so it was very difficult. This reverses this. This now puts the burden of proof on the school to prove that they did do it. This could have a big impact on education. I think you're going to start to see due process hearings you're going to see more and more due process hearings for parents, because now they will be able to bring forth charges to say the school didn't do it, and they're going to put the school on notice, and the school's going to have to respond, and the school's going to have to prove that they did do it. And I don't know where that's going to go, but we'll see. Like I said, right now, 90-some odd, it is very rare that parents win due process hearings. I think that's going to start to change. So this is good news for parents of special education, special needs students. So anyway, thanks. Keep track of, I got a few more videos coming out on the Maryland General Assembly and some of the bills that are floating through there. So thanks. Have a great day.